Hey there, welcome back to my channel. So I just stumbled across a different model of Outdoors RV that I haven't seen before. This one is called a 20BD. It's got to be a brand new model that just came out. It's got mountain graphics on the side. That's kind of cool. Big generator compartment. This one was just built. The date is February 2020. And then moving around to the front of the unit, look at these big RV style propane tanks. I don't know how big those are. I've never seen that size before, but that's bigger than a 7-gallon. This is a really big front storage door. Slide out tray, that's kind of nice. Electric power awning, 10-gallon water heater. Looks like it's probably got 5,200 pound axles. Those are 235 80R16 tires. I really like these big diameter ladders. It's going to have a rear dinette because we've got the big picture window on the back and then a big side window just rearward of the door. Let's go inside and take a look. So it's got a U-shaped dinette. These are upgraded window shades from what I've seen in Outdoors RV models. A slow rise window shades. That's pretty nice. I actually really like those. I'm not a big fan of the U-shaped dinette because it doesn't give you a whole lot of table space. All your switches and controls and everything over here. Awning, lights. This is one of these would be the inside light, one of them would be the outside light, and water pump, water heater. And that's your LP function of the water heater, and here's your electric, and then freshwater tank heater up there. That's a 12-volt heating pad on the water heater, or the water tank. This is actually pretty similar to some of the other 20-foot model Outdoors RVs. They just have a different letter suffix on the end of the number. And this does look like a full normal size queen bed and not a short queen. There's your remote for the power vent fan. And solar controller up there. And then we've got a light switch over here for the bedroom lights, and then mounting location for a TV up there. That's been winterized. It's got antifreeze in the toilet there. And this is the expandable style shower curtain. Gives you a lot more room, elbow room and shoulder room in the shower. And then we've also got a power vent fan in the bathroom. And this one is also controlled by a remote. Here's a secondary switch for your water pump. And a light switch there. A couple of coat racks, towel racks there. 2 there and then 1 over there. And in the bedroom we just have this pleated style shades. It's kind of odd why they didn't put the same style shades everywhere. Mini blinds behind the sink is pretty much a normal thing. You don't want some kind of a pleated shade or anything there because it would just get splashed with water and you'd never be able to clean it. Nice big farm style sink. A lot of RVs are switching over to that now. Have a little spice rack here. Under sink storage. 3 really big drawers. And nice big oven and stove. Stove seems a little bit wider than what I typically see in an RV. But that's kind of cool. The oven has a window in it. That's a relatively new thing for RV ovens. And here we have a wardrobe closet. Also doubles as a pantry, and it's got 2 removable shelves. And we have 2 more coat racks there. This is a pretty big refrigerator too. This has got to be close to an 8 cubic foot. Yeah, because it's got 3 shelves in it, plus the small shelf up there. This was cut out as for a gallon of water or milk. The next size smaller fridge only would have 2 main shelves plus the 3rd one at the top. And in the smaller fridge, you don't have 4 storage bins in the door, you've only got 3. And we've got ducted AC. We have 2 vents back here, and then over here on the other side, we're probably going to have 2 or 3 more. Yeah, there's one right there, and then there's one up in the bedroom. Heat duct, we've got one right there, just at the foot of the bed. We do have one in the bathroom also. That's always nice to have some heat in the bathroom. And right there we've got another one. And another one back here. And then down below this dinette table we have a 120 volt AC outlet. That's good for plugging in your laptop or whatnot. And then below the dinette benches we've got 2 drawers, one on each side. But I do really like these slow rise shades. They're made by a company in Indiana, Irwin Shade and Door. I've actually looked at their information online and priced out some of these window shades for my little Nash 17K. I've actually watched a video where somebody upgraded their RV to these slow rise shades, and I'll put a link in the description below to that video. But they're super nice. They're basically blackout shades. And they do make these that have a sunscreen style too. They're a double roller shade. This one is just a single. But it would have another pull down behind this that is basically just a sunscreen. You can see out. And then here we have a flip up countertop extension. And then looking back outside again, we got our spare tire on the rear bumper and the typical 4-inch square tube sewer hose carrier style rear bumper. And this one also has a hitch on it for hauling a bike rack or a cargo basket or whatnot. Stabilizer jacks at all 4 corners. All of your utility connections are over here. And those two little ports right there, those are flip-up doors that you open up to get access to your tank dump valve handles. And a generator bay. This looks like it would be for probably a 3600 watt LP generator.